So you left some happy marks on your screen and now those oily blotches won't come out. Well, great news because I've been reviewing and cleaning screens for years, and if you don't believe me, and maybe you shouldn't, well, I've also consulted LG's official cleaning manuals before putting together this video. Links in the description, by the way. And here's how you get those marks of shame out of your life. 1, buy distilled water, a spray bottle, and microfiber towels. And yes, I'll have some affiliate links to the ones I use in the description below for your convenience and, of course, my benefit. 2, power off your screen and wait 5 to 10 minutes for it to finish any automatic pixel cleaning. 3, unplug your screen and wait a few more minutes for it to cool down and drain any power. 4, wipe the dust off your screen with a dry and clean microfiber cloth. 5, spray a second microfiber cloth with distilled water and wipe over the area from edge to edge until all smears are gone. 6, and finally, wipe the screen down one last time with a third clean and dry microfiber towel. Just please don't use any harsh chemicals, as that could potentially damage your screen. And if you want to learn how to clean QD-OLED, well, it's a different process because, well, we just can't have nice things. So I'll have a link to that in the description below as well for you QD-OLED lovers.